Hi, I'm Patty from Thornatisca, and I want to talk to you a little bit about electricity today. So everybody's done this with a balloon. You do this and get the static electricity with your hair. You rub it against something. Floors and carpet are great. You can pick up little pieces of paper, and that's a lot of fun. So what's happening here is we got these electrons that are moving around. Love electrons. So I'm going to tell you a lot, and we'll have a couple videos about electrons actually. Now, I've got a helper today, Dr. Todd. He is an expert at what we're getting ready to do. You can tell by his face. But in order for electrons to flow on a path, you see these electrons are not really controlled, all right? Kind of like my hair, doesn't have a lot of control. Okay, so this is static electricity. But if we want current electricity, we have to provide a path. And so as long as the circuit is all the way closed, those electrons can run around in a circle, okay? And it has a provided pathway. So after Easter, I love to go shopping, and I love to get these little bunnies that have the two little holes right here, okay? You gotta get these. They'll go on sale after Easter. And it doesn't do anything till you touch them and you connect the circuit. Then it chirps. So this is a lot of fun because one of the things that you can do is you can see that humans are full of water and electrolytes. And this water and electrolytes that we have conducts electricity. So you can take a bunch, and I've done this with like 30 or more kids. Now, and you can build human circuits. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put one finger right there, and you're only going to touch that one, okay? Now, I'm going to put one finger right here, okay? Now,
that's not me.
we made a human circuit. And so I challenge you, when you get home, you need to get one of these and just see how many variations of your circuit can you do? How many people can you put in it? I'm glad you watched, and thank you for Dr. Todd today.